guys, it's your girl Shatoya Lynn. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If anyone is new here, thank you. And to whoever is returning, thank you. So guys, what have everybody been up to? Say hi.
Hi.
Hey guys, so we are coming back.
Yeah.
We're coming back, guys. So that's the big news. Sit here, baby. Sit here. That's the big news, guys. We are coming back. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that we're coming back. So one moment, and I'll be back, and I will let you guys know what the schedule is looking like. Guys, like I was saying, I'm working from home. I am doing my business things by myself. The kids is doing virtual learning, and all three of them. So I have a pre-K, I have a middle schooler, and I have a high schooler. Everyone's doing virtual learning, guys. So it is crazy. No time for anything, and I did definitely want to definitely come back on YouTube and just show you guys the life how we're living, being that we are just trying to stay safe, and you know, I'm trying to protect my children from the virus. So just wanted to show you guys what we do at home to kind of stay sane. Cooking, baking. I love to bake, and my little son loves to bake as well. So we're going to be doing some baking things. The holidays is coming, guys, so why not do some Thanksgiving hauls, because I do have to do shopping. I'm going to do all that on Sunday. I have to bake some sweet potato pies for people. They ordered some sweet potato pies, so I have to do that as well. Also run my business, and most of my sales come off of eBay, or they come off of Amazon. So I'm constantly trying to run those sites as well for my business. So it's hectic, guys, but I do hope that everyone is staying safe, staying sane, and coming up with ways to make a hustle to get extra income during this crazy thing that we're going through right now. So I just wanted to come back to YouTube and definitely get back on my platform and just show other families what they can do during the COVID time. And well, it's gonna be winter soon, so it's gonna be snowing here, so we're gonna be in a house anyway. So I'm just gonna come up with DIY projects that me and the kids are gonna be doing, just fun things for the family, for kids. I do a lot of things with my children, so that's mainly what my life is surrounded by, my kids first. So that's what I do. So that's all I wanted to come on here. I wanted to say we are back, guys. All my social medias will be down below. If you have any questions, you can definitely comment those down below for me as well. You can reach me on any of my social medias. If you wanted to check out any of my products, you can do so. That is on my website. It's Shop Pink Creations. That also will be down below as well. You can find my products on Amazon, eBay, OfferUp, the website. You can hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. So all of those will be down below. You can hit me up on any of those social medias, and I will get back to you guys.